Are you looking for how to fix YouTube enable problem? In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube enable problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for YouTube app, tap on YouTube. Now tap on enable. Now tap on three dot menu. Now tap on reset app preference. Reset. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube enable problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.